Ah, crap. G'day folks, I've spoken a fair bit about how much I like the lightweight of the 500. It's perfectly suited for most of the terrain that I ride. And today I just want to showcase another reason where a smaller bike is more suited. So I'm talking about exploration. It's those trips when you are hunting out new tracks to ride. Maybe you've ridden a track, a dozen times, 20 times, you want something different. Or maybe you're putting on a group ride, so you want to pre-ride the track that you've planned. So this was my situation. I've ridden from Gembrook to Noojee about 20 times the same way. I just wanted to find some new tracks. Now, if you've spent any time looking at mapping programs and maps, you'll know that there's a huge difference between the track that's marked on the map and what's actually out there. So I use Garmin Basecamp. I've got pretty recent topo maps. So I checked Basecamp, I found what looked like some interesting leads. I loaded up a rough plan to my GPS, took off with a couple of mates, one on a 500 and one on a 690. Now this was always going to be an exploration ride, so they knew what they were in for. So let's take a look at some of the tracks that I found, and maybe then you'll understand why I like the 500 for exploring. No good that way. That's too hard for me. Oh, abandoned that one as well. Pete, let us know if this goes somewhere. If we've got to come up here, this is going to be interesting. Basecamp says there's a track here, so there must be a track, right? Don't think it's been used for a while. Yeah, now it's dodgy. Still going, but you know. Ah, crap. Possibly the end of the line. So as you can see, the 690 went everywhere that the 500s did. It just did it a little harder, and that's why I love the 500 for exploration. It's small, it's lightweight. If you're by yourself, that's even more important. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.